Chapter 9. Ways to maximize your potential. Whatever your discipline, become a student of excellence in all things. Take every opportunity to observe people who manifest the qualities of mastery. These models of excellence will inspire you and guide you toward the fulfillment of your highest potential. Tony Buzan. We are all endowed with the special thing, that is our potential. Some of us realize this potential quite early in life, whereas, for some, it takes a lifetime to realize this. These latter people who take time to realize their potential often accept the fact that they have lost the time needed to bring their real potential to surface. That is why it is really important to realize your potential within a given time period, else it's often too late to begin. Moreover, one can also realize their hidden talent while discovering their real potential. This is done with experience, with the help of family, friends and even enemies. However, quite unfortunately, people at times also tend to demotivate a person to such an extent that their search for their hidden potential becomes lost in their misery. That is why we recommend some general guidelines which can be adopted in order to buff and polish your hidden potential. 1. Read books. If you want to discover your hidden talent or potential, you can explore and search your interests and stay abreast of the latest happenings in your field of interest. This would not only keep you updated, but also make you flourish, especially if your career is in your interest fields. 2. Expand your exposure. You need to expose yourself to different happenings that take place these days. In many cases, you will realize that your hidden potential lies in the knowledge that you were exposed to since childhood. So you must travel to places, research about topics of interest and make social networks with associates that might help you discover your hidden potential. 3. Find a good mentor. A successful mentor who understands you would certainly make you realize your hidden potential. They will help you regarding matters such as dealing with family matters, business dealings and other aspects. A mentor would certainly bring about that hidden talent that you have not realized yet. 4. Take challenging work. Taking up challenges would help you optimize your potential and find it. Being out of your comfort zone would not only make you realize what you are made of, but you would also be surprised to discover those aspects about your personality that are actually unknown to you. 5. Participate in competitions. Participating in competitions would help you tap into your own talent pool and discover the undiscovered. This would need you to maximize your time and energy and enhance your skills. 6. Try new things. You should treat every day as a new day, a new beginning. Look ahead at new avenues and don't hesitate to try new things or taking risks. Every one of us has unique potentials hidden inside them. All we need to do is to wake up and start looking for them. Chapter 10. Overcome obstacles. Created by your self-limiting beliefs. Obstacles don't have to stop you. If you run into a wall, don't turn around and give up. Figure out how to climb it, go through it, or work around it. Michael Jordan. Life is definitely difficult that it seems to be. We tend to face problems and hurdles at every phase of our life. Yet, we know that we have to look ahead and pace up. The hurdles can be in the form of family conflicts, financial problems, health-related issues or problems related to adjustment in social life. All of these are actually related to the self-limiting beliefs that stop us from moving ahead. The basis of this issue is that the smallest perception can create a belief which gradually grows larger. A lot of times, we tend to become unconscious and tend to direct all the actions in accordance with these self-formed beliefs. These subconscious acts tend to slowly become a part of our character and result in a huge impact on our personality. When we talk about such beliefs, these can be of various types. There are many beliefs which tend to have a positive impact on our personality and lifestyle. However, in some cases, these beliefs can be negative, which when reinforced on our personality, tend to create a huge impact and makes us weak. When facing such obstacles in life, one has to always deal with perseverance and courage. The stronger we face these obstacles, the lesser they'll become. There are also other ways to deal with these obstacles, such as the following. 1. Positive thinking. This is the first step towards clearing your obstacles. The very thought of quitting a task would never ever let you succeed at all. That is why a positive frame of mind is needed at all the times in order to find a solution to the problems and obstacles you face. Positive thinking not only lets you have a clear thinking, but also makes you focus on what you want to achieve. 2. Relax your mind. Tension and stress would never let you succeed in life. Being tension-free would make you focus so that maximum obstacles are eliminated. 3. Perseverance and persistence. The problem would not solve on its own. But you need to wait for the results to surface. This patience and endurance is an experience in itself, which, through the test of time, would make you have a whole new insight about the notion of the problem. 4. Find new opportunities. Dynamism is the key to success. So don't wait for opportunities to show up. Rather, take charge and find new challenges and opportunities in your daily routine work. It would not only make you creative, but would give you lots of determination and strength. 5. Inspiration. The element of inspiration is the wish or dream that makes you work harder and overcome obstacles. Inspiration gives the spark that one needs to propel ahead towards a higher future. Chapter 11. Aspects of human behavior to success. Motivation is the reason which instills people to embark upon certain behavior that is persuasive in nature. This persuasive nature tends to motivate people towards that particular task, goal or objective. Therefore, motivation is the force that drives an individual and propels them towards their objectives. In order to be motivated, one has to adapt to certain behavioral patterns that actually bring the mind to work dynamically. Therefore, it is a state of mind which is not related to one's personality but is rather adopted by a person who is intrinsically motivated. There are certain aspects of behaviors that tend to propel a person towards being motivated. These are arousal of behavior, direction of behavior and persistence of behavior. 1. Arousal of behavior. This is the triggering factor that brings a change of mind. When a person is motivated, he or she tends to start thinking about the actions related to what motivated them. These actions arouse one's behavior in which certain action plans are created in the mind of the person who is motivated. Therefore, arousal is also the activation of behavior. 2. Direction of behavior. Direction of behavior is the alignment of one's thoughts and action plans so that a sense of direction is formed. When a person's behaviors are directed, he or she tends to maintain their focus towards their target objective. Moreover, direction also maintains one's thoughts towards that particular action plan. 3. Persistence of behavior. Persistence is an important element in motivation as it ensures continuity and concreteness regarding the action plans. It also maintains one's motivation and also continues the goal achievement of the person. Other than these behavioral aspects, motivation is also catered by some motives that are important. These can be psychological or physiological in nature which fall under homeostatic motives, such as those important for living, e.g., thirst, hunger, etc., non-homeostatic motives, such as shelter-seeking habits, curiosity, etc., and social/learned motives, such as approval, appreciation, etc. Homeostatic elements are inborn and need not be nurtured as such. They are present as an inherent part of one's nature. Non-homeostatic elements tend to be affected by the surroundings and can arise due to general observation. However, social or learned motives are different in every individual as people tend to behave differently, face variety of situations and are shaped continuously by the people and the situation they face. That is why every individual's response to these motives is quite different, depending on their upbringing, experience and learning pattern. Therefore, every individual responds differently when motivated, which is exhibited via the behavioral aspects and the individual motives. The key point to note here is that no matter how you are conditioned, always respond positively so as to maximize your potential and harbor your motivation. Once you learn how to control these behavioral aspects, you can take charge of yourself and change sales according to the direction your life propels you in. This would make you move easily into the realms of success. Chapter 12.